Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about getting to know the computer. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify a computer, describe a computer, and know the story of computers. Are you ready? Do you have a computer at home? Look at the picture. Is it the same as what you have at home? Did you know that the early people used cave walls and stones as their paper? They also used shells, chicken bones, and even their fingers to do simple addition and subtraction. Years ago, people did most of their work using their hands. They used lots of energy and time to finish their tasks. To save time and effort in doing work, people started inventing machines. What are machines? Machines are tools that help people do their tasks quickly and easily. They are made to help people do their work. These are some examples of machines that make our work faster and easier. Washing machine, sewing machine, vacuum cleaner. How about you? Can you give examples of machines that make your work faster and easier? But among the greatest inventions in recent years is the computer. What is computer? A computer is a kind of machine or an electronic device that helps people do many tasks. Some machines were made to help people count and others were used for writing. Computers were invented to help people do both and many more. Let's see what computers were like back then. Abacus. An abacus, also called a counting frame, is a calculating tool. It has a wooden frame with beads lined up on iron rods. You move the beads up and down or left and right to add and subtract numbers. Calculator. A calculator is used for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing numbers. It can also be used to compute other values. Blaise Pascal was a French inventor who built a mechanical calculator that can add and subtract large numbers. His calculator became known as Pascal's calculator or Pascaline, or the arithmetic machine. Typewriter. A typewriter is a machine that prints letters, numbers, and symbols on paper. Press a key for a letter or a number. The typewriter then punches the letter or number on a piece of paper. Supercomputer. A supercomputer can count faster than any other earlier counting machine and solve number problems many times faster than a human can. It was the first modern computer, but it was so big that it needed many people to carry and use it. The same devices used on big computers were made smaller. These small devices make up the modern computer. Modern computer. A modern computer is a machine that can store information and do other tasks. It works even better than the early counting and typing machines. The modern computer can do many tasks at the same time. Once again, computers are everywhere. They are tools or machines that help us do our tasks easier. Arrange the jumbled letters to form the correct word for each picture. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The correct answer is calculator. And the answer is abacus. The name of the picture is computer. The word is typewriter. The correct answer is supercomputer. Identify the correct machine. Choose the correct answer. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. It is a machine that can store information and do other tasks. The correct answer is modern computer. It is a machine that lets you add and subtract numbers using beads. The answer is abacus. It is a machine that prints letters, numbers, and symbols on paper. The correct answer is typewriter. It is the first modern computer that is very big. And the correct answer is supercomputer. It is a machine used for working with numbers. The answer is calculator. Draw a line to match the machine in column A with its name in column B. To participate in this activity, you may do this in your notebook. Let's check your answer. 1. Calculator. Number 2. Abacus. 3. Supercomputer. Number 4. Typewriter. And number 5. Modern computer.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.